I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making your data reliable. Convert ranges to an Excel table so formulas and charts update automatically. Once done, pick the key metrics you need and sketch a simple layout on the dashboard sheet. This saves rework. Make a separate data tab to keep raw rows untouched and a dashboard tab for visuals. Also, name the table and important ranges so you can reference them easily in formulas and pivot tables without manual cell hunting. Now you build the core. Create pivot tables from your table so aggregation is fast and safe. Then insert charts directly from those pivots. Choose simple types like column, line, or combo to show trends versus composition. Once charts exist, add slicers or a timeline to let users filter interactively. Make sure each slicer is connected to the relevant pivots. Use consistent colors and data labels to reduce cognitive load. Save a copy before extensive formatting in case you need to revert. To finish, position charts and KPI tiles neatly, add concise titles, and link summary cells to the pivots using getPivotData or direct formulas so numbers update automatically. Then set pivot refresh options and optionally protect the dashboard sheet layout to prevent accidental moves. Once done, test filters and refresh. If something goes wrong, for example charts show old data, refresh the table, verify the pivot source and table name, and reconnect slicers. Rebuilding a single affected pivot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.